Today we're gonna make a catnip treat bag for the cats for a toy. So you need a 4x4 square material. You can use polyfill, but I just decided to use the cat fur when we brush our cats because they like the smell of each other and that really gets them going, and some catnip. So to start, you're just gonna fold your material in half, and then we're gonna use the sewing machine here, and you're gonna sew this side and this side, and then we're gonna turn it inside out to stuff it. So we sealed this side, and now we're coming down, and we're just guiding it with the edge of the pressure foot. That's a good enough seam. We're gonna come forward and come to the end, back it up to lock your stitch. And then we're going to pull this out, and we're gonna turn it inside out so that we can stuff it. All right, okay, so now it's right side out, and you still have your little opening here. So we're able to stuff it with some polyfill, or like I said, we're using cat hair from the brush when we brush the cats, and then we're gonna add a little bit of catnip, and then we'll seal the end. And somebody can't wait for me to finish, but she's gonna have to wait until we're finished sealing it shut. Come on, Gypsy. It's not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Okay, so we have the polyfill or the cat fur in here, and we have some catnip in here, but we're gonna add this extra special catnip in here that we got from the kitty kit out of Canada. So the cats really enjoyed this. It seems to be a little bit more organic and a little bit stronger. So we're gonna put some of that in here as well. Now that we have it filled, I just turned the edges in a little bit, and I'm gonna cheat and just hand stitch, sewing machine stitch the edges instead of hand stitch it. So you got a nice finished edge. We'll just put this right under the sewing machine, and we will stitch this closed. So obviously you won't be able to reuse this, but you can always take the stitching out and fill it up again. And voila, all sealed and ready to present to the cat, who kind of looks like this. That's pretty cool, right? Are you ready, Gypsy? You ready? It's all done. What do you think? Oh yeah. You should put it on the ground. Come on. Psst, 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 psst. Come on. And you're not gonna go nuts over it like you usually do. What about you, Bella? What do you think? Oh, you're more interested in the balloons? Oh, maybe not. Balloons, catnip bag. What is your dad doing?
Trying to tie it on.
You guys are just waiting? Just all waiting patiently? There's your catnip thing. Nope. Gypsy says, no, silly, you just get up here. That's why Dad put this here. It's a stool. You can get up here and get it.
We'll have to cut the strings off so that we pay attention to the string.